Joining us this evening on 7 News at 7, South Carolina's Supreme Court has overturned the murder convictions for attorney Alex Murdaugh, who was previously found guilty for the deaths of his wife and his son. Katie Fong-Fongsa is following the latest developments.
Murdaugh's defense team appealed before the state's high court in February, arguing his constitutional right to a fair trial was violated during the weeks-long trial back in 2023. And he was wrongfully convicted of his son Paul and his wife Margaret's murders. They were found shot to death at their family home on June 7, 2021. Attorney Joe McCullough, who also represents two jurors that served in the trial, tells me this decision was expected.
The bedrock principle that everybody gets a fair trial was resoundingly recognized again by the Supreme Court. And that's so important for everyone, the public, and the litigants, to understand that our court's going to protect the sanctity of that concept of fair trial.
Murdaugh's defense team focused on former Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill, who admittedly made comments about Murdaugh's guilt to jurors, saying her comments influenced the outcome and violated Murdaugh's Sixth Amendment right to a fair and impartial jury and prejudiced the jury. The state acknowledged Hill's missteps, but claimed their case was by the book, and the evidence admitted was fair. The justices writing in their opinion today that Hill, quote, egregiously attacked Murdaugh's credibility in his defense, triggering the presumption of prejudice, and that the right to a fair trial must be protected for all defendants. McCullough says the decision came together on a neutral front, despite the justices taking note of the time, money, and effort already spent. And it could mean a new trial may not come, as Murdaugh is already serving time for his financial crimes.
Prosecuting him to simply pin the tail on the donkey as a murderer may not make sense to the next attorney general. It may not make sense to the two families who were tragically victimized as the survivors of this terrible crime.
Murdaugh's defense team released a statement saying in part, quote, the Supreme Court's decision today affirms the rule of law remains strong in South Carolina. The court found that Becky Hill's conduct during the trial attacked Alex Murdaugh's credibility and his defense. The court rightfully described her conduct as breathtaking, disgraceful, and unprecedented in South Carolina. We look forward to a new trial. Attorney General Alan Wilson, who is now running for governor, was the lead prosecutor on the case. If he wins the election, his replacement will have to decide whether to prosecute. But as long as he is in office, he says his office will, quote, aggressively seek to retry Alex Murdaugh for the murders of Maggie and Paul as soon as possible. Going on to say, quote, let me be clear, this decision does not mean Murdaugh will be released. He will remain in prison for his financial crimes. No one is above the law, and as always, we will continue to fight for justice.